Doing a little trimming of our power lines. Just some nice maintenance here. The storms don't come out and knock out your power. We got a few of them to cut back there. Not a very big road to get in here. It's kind of tight, but we got in here just to get this customer's limbs up over the power line. But yeah, we got this here to do. Once we get this trimmed up here, we're going to rotate around to the house. Or actually, this one right here collapsed on the power line right there. This in here is all busted up. We'll clean that out. Get all this trimmed up here. That right there over the chimney needs to be done. And some hangers off that tree maybe. We'll dress that up for the customer. Pretty nice guy. Pretty good fella. We'll clean this out real nice for him. It's all in the power line. Alright, if you need tree work, give us a call. 850-336-1845. Cutchins Tree Service here in Pensacola, Florida. We'll come out, clean out your trees, cut them down, remove them, ship them up, give you some mulch. If you need mulch, we do free delivery on mulch. Been in business 24 years. All right, have a blessed day.